So I'm trying to quit my job and become an Amazon influencer full time, Amazon affiliate, TikTok shop seller, whatever. And a big part of that is product selection. There's a whole side of it where you're trying to find the right product. You're trying to find the right product that somebody's willing to share a sample with you with. There's a discussion about product investing. Do I buy the right products to do videos about, or is it a waste of time? Well, I'm going to use a tool like Viral View or another calculator to find out if a product is useful before I buy it. But another thing that I think that everybody should be doing is going back to their order history. All right, going back to their order history and taking a look at what you bought 6 months ago, 3 months ago, a year ago. Are you still using that thing? Is it still floating around your house? And while I think at face value, that's really, really good advice, I bought these shorts in January of this year. So we are, at the end of January. So we're like at 6 months from whenever I bought these shorts. I still have these shorts. I'm not sure which color. It looks like I bought white. I still have these shorts. I still wear these shorts. Right, I wear them all the time, and they've held up well. They've been washed. They've, it's a great pair of shorts. And I'm not trying to sell you these shorts, but what I am saying is, before I do a video, another one breaking down, hey, these shorts are great. I've had them for 6 months. This is what I think about them. You got to pay attention to a couple of things. First and foremost, what is the value of your time, and what is the competition like? So this item in particular has got 46 influencer videos. 2 of those are mine. I don't know that any of them are on the carousel right now. It doesn't look like they have any top carousel videos. It doesn't look like they have any. So my videos must be in the bottom carousel down here somewhere, if they're anywhere. Yeah, anyway, there is a discussion about potentially bumping somebody else off because a discussion about, well, I've owned these for 6 months and this is how they've held up. That might be a better video to some people. You have a discussion about, I'm a 6'4", 250-pound male, and this is how they look on me. There's videos, there's great videos, there's bad videos. We're not talking about that. But what I'm talking about here is the amount of time that we have in our day. So whenever I look at this calculator, I can see that this is going to give me $4.64 commission per sale. But at the rate that they are being sold, I'm only going to earn $2.32 per month on this item. What's worse is that's actually including the Creator Connections campaign percentage of 30%. Without that, it's 15 cents commission. That will definitely add up, but 7 cents commission per month on these shorts, 7 cents a month, even if this estimation 7 cents per month is accurate, which 1% attribution to your video per sales, assuming that you're making it into the top carousel or the bottom carousel or whatever the case may be, what kind of time in the day do you have for an extra 7 cents? Now, do you do that 100 times? That's $7 extra a month, I guess. But this pair of shorts, even though I love them, and I wear them constantly, and I'm actually considering buying a couple of different colors because we're about to go on this road trip and I just need more nice shorts, right? And I know that these hold up and they're $15, right? Even though these are great and they've lasted and I would recommend them to anybody, I'm not going to do a video on this again. I'm not going to do a 6-month video on this again. Now, what I will do is like a hoodie that's going to make me $1 a month, right? Or, some socks or pairs of underwear that I still have that it's going to make me like $1.75 a month. 7 cents a month, that's not for me, right? Now, assuming that the Creator Connections campaign will continue in the future, like once this campaign ends in 162 days, right? Assuming that's going to end, maybe it doesn't get replaced with a new campaign. Maybe it does. Cool thing about Viral View is it automatically adds us in when we do the automation every day to the new campaigns. Assuming that there's going to be a continuation, I mean, 232 isn't bad. So maybe I do consider it, but then I'm really, really hoping that campaign continues, and also that I'm good enough in an additional video to get the video on the carousel. But I love these shorts so much, I still might consider doing it. All right. Now, all of that being said, doing a shorts video end of July, not really it's another really poor use of your time, because people aren't looking to buy shorts right now. I mean, I am, obviously, and there's a lot of people that are going to be buying shorts right now. I mean, we have a lot of months left in the summer. The time to do videos for shorts is like February, March. That's when that's when all of the new products are rolling out for the season. That's when all of the the biggest creator campaigns are out there. That's when all of these clothing brands have the largest commissions, the largest bonuses on their CC campaigns, and that's the time to do it. Right now, what I need to be looking for is like fall clothing, winter clothing, October stuff, Halloween stuff, back to school stuff. Like that's the kind of stuff that I'm looking for right now. If I have any of that kind of stuff in my order history, like a stapler that I bought or a keyboard that I bought, something like that, then I'm doing that. I've had this keyboard for 30 days. I've had this keyboard for 6 months. I'm doing that video right now. That's the kind of thing that I think will be a better use of your time. So let me know in the comment section down below what kind of things you're doing videos about. If you're having any trouble, if you're looking for some inspiration, check out my channel, follow, check out some of the other videos that I've got going. I'm trying to find in 5 minutes or less every single day a good investment product. Shorts right now, they ain't it. They just ain't it. Looking for Halloween stuff after I get off this video. So thanks for hanging out, guys. We'll see you all next time.